students. Today, we are going to be learning about context clues. Context clues is a strategy we use when learning new vocabulary words. Context clues are word clues from the text that will help you determine the meaning of the unknown words in the text that you are reading. As readers, we must act like detectives to put together clues from sentences surrounding an unknown word in order to make an intelligent guess as to what the definition of the word is. While there are 6 different types of context clues, today we are only going to focus on 3: direct definition, synonym, and antonym. Let's look at the 3 types of context clues we are going to be focusing on. The first strategy is called direct definition. A direct definition is when the explanation to the word can be found directly in the sentence. The next strategy is a synonym clue. A synonym is when the word is stated or used in the sentence in an easier way to understand, or there are other words surrounding it that mean the same or about the same as the word that you're trying to determine the meaning of. And finally, the last strategy is an antonym clue. An antonym clue is when the word or phrase is clarified by the presentation of a word of the opposite meaning. Now, we're going to practice with the following sentence. Please listen as I read it to you out loud. Rachel lived with her mother far from the city. Her house sat alone atop a hill, and she was used to solitude. She liked the peace and quiet of being far away from everything, and she didn't mind playing by herself. What is the meaning of the word solitude as it is being used in this sentence? There are clues from this sentence we can use that help us determine the meaning of the word. For example, I notice the sentence says, far from the city, and she liked the peace and quiet of being far away from everything. I also notice it says she didn't mind playing by herself. So based on these clues, I think the word solitude means to be alone. And because I was able to determine the meaning of the word based on phrases found from the sentence, I know that the strategy I used is a strategy of direct definition.